heard about China's most historical and cyberpunk spicy hotpot city, where train goes inside the building, city with skyscrapers. So I thought, let's visit and see with my own eyes. Ni hao, welcome to the channel. I'm very excited for today's video. You know the reason? I'm in one of the very famous city in the China. In my last post, I have asked which place should I visit next, and I got most of the comments and votes for Chongqing. So welcome to Chongqing. Chongqing is mainly situated in Sichuan province in the north and Guizhou province in south. This is my first time to visit Chongqing. I have heard Chongqing is very beautiful city. As I know, most of the people already know, Chongqing is one of the major city in China, which is located southwest China, and it is also called as mountain city because the whole city is built in a mountain. And Chongqing is also home for various ethnic groups like Han, Yi, Miao, Tujia, and so on. Chongqing has its own dialect that is called Chongqingese. Like in Shanghai, people speak Shanghainese. During World War II, Chongqing served as the provisional capital of China. The city played a crucial role in the war efforts and has a rich history related to this period. Apart from all of these, Chongqing is very famous for its spicy food, especially Chongqing spicy hot pot. And I will also gonna try how much spicy it is. Special thanks to iChongqing and Alex from Reportify Media for arranging such a nice tour of Chongqing city. So you will find lot of this kind of spices shops everywhere. You will see spicy. So we are starting our day with one of the famous building. What it is called?
It's called the Baishangju. Baishang Community.
Baishang Community. By the way, she is Yuan. She will help me to have a city tour today.
This place originally it's a real community. People live here. But just because it's too special, the Chongqing style, so it becomes a tourist site. So we are visiting other people's house. You can see that.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's kind of tourist town. This one. Oh yes, Unit 1. It's first time to see a place where people actually living and also a tourist spot.
Yes.
You can also see people are selling. What do you call in Chinese this?
扇子.
So this is called sands.
扇子.
Sands.
Yes.
Hello. Okay. It's a deep fried pork. There are many vendors. They are actually selling the goods inside the society. Actually, there are a lot of people visiting here. This is one of the famous tourist attraction. This is Unit 4. Actually, these are some magnets. If you want to buy, you can actually buy it. Look at this view. So that river is the Yangtze River. Wow, it's one of the longest river in China, right? This building is quite confusing. When you start, you think it's just like a normal building. When you go, you never know which side you are. Sometimes you may feel you are too up, sometimes you may feel you are down. It's too confusing. So this is the name of building. Look at this. And even in the building, you can get some charging point. So now I'm heading to another location. This building is quite amazing, like quite authentic. And now we'll see more things. Look at this. I have heard Chongqing have most of the beautiful women in the world. Every other corner people are enjoying hot pot. This building looks like it's abandoned. No one living here. But still looking like quite authentic. You can see. Actually, Chongqing have more histories, and you know, these cities, every building have some story about Chongqing. Look at this building. Every building look quite different. If you see that building is look like newly constructed, and this is like the old one.
Ancient gates of Chongqing. We used to have a wall around the main city.
Okay.
City wall.
If you follow the sign, then you will find all the 17 gates. Look at that construction. It's also look like very old. Behind me there are a lot of mountains because Chongqing is called as mountain city. And even the roads are and everything, buildings and everything built on hills. The whole street is quite amazing, and I'm enjoying today's weather as well as this city view. Guys, I will definitely recommend you. Please come and visit Chongqing. You can make a sound. Okay, let's go. Wow. Hello. See, this is kind of sesame ball. As you know, Chongqing is very famous for spicy hot pot. Apart from that, Chongqing also have another very spicy famous popular dishes like noodles, xiaomian, and there are a lot of spicy dishes, but I'm gonna try xiaomian. Look at this spicy level. They have green chili, red chili, as well as some more chilies inside. So normally in Chongqing's hot pot, they don't use water, they use this kind of tea, beef grease oil with this special tea. So that's why Chongqing's hot pot is quite special. Shops open in China, they put this kind of flowers for good luck. What is this? This is local snack?
You see, we had this.
So, what it is called is? Mahua. This is called mahua, right? Mahua.
Yes.
Sweet, sour and spicy. Actually in Chongqing, they like to eat more organ part, so you will find more weird things. But you know, if you want to explore or if you are so adventurous, please try that. I will end my day with an amazing view. So now I'm heading toward a beautiful, stunning view. Look at the water, river. So when you come to Chongqing, you can book this kind of cruise and enjoy the river view and the city view. Look at this beautiful ship. Wow. Look, what a beautiful. You will feel like you are sitting in a 5-star hotel. And Vayu is enjoying with those aunties. What's the name of this ship? And
So,
and introduce yourself as well.
hi, you can call me Jane, which usually a girl's name. I'm the director of this ship, and welcome to our ship, Chaotian Haoyue. It's called the brightest moon towards the sky, and we have 4 floors. The main lobby is a main lobby of all 4 floors are free to everyone.
Okay.
So first floor is the main deck. You can enjoy every breeze of the river.
Okay.
So now we are on the Yangtze River, which is the longest river in China and the mother river of China. And just a little bit of moment later, we can enter our ship.
Okay. So I'm so excited to take a ride of this ship. So let's go and have a look. So this is the first floor of ship. Now let's go to second floor. So this is chairs. This is second floor. If you want to enjoy dinner, so you can order, but you have to order in advance, so you can actually enjoy the view and enjoy the dinner as well.
So there will be show.
Oh, show by like which kind of show?
Artists will show over here.
Oh, so you can see artist performance over here. Look, Vayu, he started performing dance. Okay, so now we are going to enter in a VIP room. Wow, this is amazing.
Later, so a few months later, okay, you will have hot pots.
Oh, so we can enjoy hot pot in the ship.
Yeah.
Wow, that would be amazing. You know, you can enjoy river view and hot pot.
Yeah.
Is it yummy? So as you can see, if you come into VIP services, you will get free snacks, tea and coffee and water. And look at the view, guys. This is really amazing. Look at Vayu and Vayu's daddy. They are already started enjoying. Bye bye.